Assalamu alaikum everyone, we are French Code Consultants and we are back with another lecture of Learn Excel. In previous lectures, we have discussed in Insert tab, illustration, add-ins, charts, sparklines. The next one is filter and links, and text and symbols. I'm going to leave the filter and links for later on lectures. The filters will be used to make dashboards. The link is a very simple one if you want to add a hyperlink, which is more simpler than adding a link from Insert tab. You can just add any link possible, like this, and the link is here. So you don't need to use this because it's very simple. Now, in text box, I'm going to show you, for example, if you click here, go to text box, add text box. So you can add a text box here. You can add anything. You can, for example, a name. It's just a simple text box. You can use it to place it anywhere. Now, next is the header and footer. If you click it, in the whole sheet, the header is the above one, and the footer is below the sheet in here. For example, if I show you, this is the header, and you can select footer from here. It's an easy way to go to footer straight. I couldn't do it from here. I don't know why. So for example, if you print a sheet or make a PDF for it, the header and footer will be shown. Now I'll go back to the main view. See, if you go to this print view, that's a page preview. Just click File and Print. You'll see the header and footer are placed here. Now next option is word art. You can add any word art in your Excel file. You see it? It's a very simple ones. Now you can also add signature. Whatever signature you want to add. For example, I want to add FinSquad. You see, the signature has been added. You can add it to your report or anything you want, anywhere you want. The next one is an object. If you click it, it will take some time, but you can create an object and you can create from file. It's very tricky, but I would suggest you to leave it for now. I will show you these objects with the dashboard, but I'll be making later on. Now next one are the symbols and equation in symbols column. If I click it, it will give you many symbols, and you can select from any one if you want. For example, I want to select Latin extended A symbol, and I want to allocate this here. You see, you can insert as many as you want. It's just like a font, and once added, you can change its color or anything. Now similarly, you can just go here, add an equation. These are the equations. These are mathematical equations or statistics equations. You can use them. You can also ink the equation. Here, you can ink the equation just like you want to. Similarly, you can add professional, linear, or normal text and equation. These are for very, specific tasks. If you want to know about them, I can teach you more. But these are just simple as that. You can, if you want equations, you can go here, click it, you will have equation options. You see, if I select the drag down option, it will show the options available here by Excel. So this is more or less today's lecture. It was a very simple one, but it's for your own understanding. I hope you understood the lecture. If you like the lecture, kindly like, subscribe, or share our page. Thank you so much.